the topic today is well-being. Well-being's got such a bunch of descriptions about it, but quite simply, let's start the discussion off with how you would describe well-being in its broadest terms.
Every year I do a presentation to the board, but there's one segment that I do is always looking ahead and saying what potentially could be a disruptor to Mastercard, and particularly the culture. One of the potential disruptors was about well-being, and I was beginning to see patterns where people were talking about burnout. People were talking about meeting overload. Fast forward, obviously, into 2020, and you get into COVID. You get into this global pandemic, and so that was really the start of really getting the attention not only of the board but the management as well, that this is a real issue, and that this is something that we need to do